So we're working on getting the plumbing location for the Tile Redi pan. This has to be pretty exact. In this circumstance, we don't have access from below. The way I came up with it is to use these lasers. Put that in there. So yeah, it's easy to see both of the axes that they're exactly right on. I'm just gonna double check, make sure, yep, 6. And then this one for 16, right on it. Yep, I'm right, 1 3/8. So I'm feeling really good about that. Circle needs to be minimum of 6 inches, but no greater than 7.